go and make the Lasco tea. Why are you so excited?
I love Lasco. Thank you, Auntie Paula. Okay, so I'm going to dip Lasco inside of this. Okay? If you guys are wondering how to make it, you can only find Lasco at Jamaica. You can't really find it on Pinduoduo or Taobao. So, yes. And Lasco is my favorite tea, and I'm making some for my family. Nice rhyming. Okay, so how much times did I put it in? I don't know. Unless it tastes nice, then it's good. Next, I'll take my spoon thingy, and then I'll just scoop it. Usually I would mix it up until I kind of see all white and I don't think I feel anything at the bottom. And I sometimes scoop it up to see if there's any more. So I'll just keep on steering this thing. Okay. I think this is done. I'll just have a little taste. Not really how I thought it would, so put more Lasco. Okay, so right now I'll just pour in all of the Lasco. Because it's kind of just a little bit. This isn't opening out. So I'll just rip it open some more. And then dump the whole thing inside. Alright! That should make it more sweet and lovely. Alright, now I can use my spoon thingy again and stir it up. At the very end of this video, I will show you guys what we will be eating with the Lasco, and I'll show you all how my family will eat the Lasco. Usually in our country we use this and dip it in the Lasco for it to taste really nice. And this is water cracker. Can't really find this in China. But if you go to Jamaica or America and like North America and Canada, you'll find these. Today we are rich because we're having these things for dinner, and my auntie bought this for me. Well, the Lasco, which is for me, no one else, not her sister, not her sister. Okay, we're all going to pray. Quickly wipe up. Mm. 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 这个是非常好吃的，是你需要拿这个放，有一个大的像一个圆形的，你就需要放一点点，但是你的是像这样子，你可以放所有的在这个杯子里面，所以会好喝一点儿。你也可以再用这个放在这里面，会更好吃的。好吃。This is some nice part. Not yummy.
Not yummy? What do you mean?
There's a better way to eat from the Lasco.
How?